Bangkok is vibrant, fast, and full of surprises. We're spending 48 hours in the city on a mission, get vaccinated for our South America trip, and find the best Tom Yam. After finding the ultimate bowl, we are off to a modern street market that has everything, from famous Thai grilled fish, seafood, and fruits to Wagyu beef, and you'll never guess the last one, fried scorpion. Stay with us and let's start our Bangkok weekend together.
Hi guys!
Welcome to Thailand.
Welcome to Bangkok.
We just arrived to Bangkok and now we are at the Suvarnabhumi International Airport.
And we're gonna bring you to numerous bars and restaurants and some local foods to experience over the weekend. We're in Bangkok and today we're doing something special. We're gonna go get vaccinated. The bigger reason is medical quality in Bangkok is quite nice and the price is also on the lower side, so don't think twice if you need to do something medicine-wise or medical-wise, health-wise. Bangkok is one of the best places in Southeast Asia. Then, speaking of, today we're gonna do yellow fever vaccination because we are going to another dream destination which we were planning for about 3 to 5 years ago. Leave us a comment with your guess where we are going and stay tuned for a new episode with us.
We just got vaccinated. Here are our certificates, international ones. And the vaccine from yellow fever, it costs here 2,200 baht each. Very easy, not painful at all. Can be slightly fever. We'll tell you later how we're gonna feel. So now here's our certificate. We are ready to go anywhere in the world. Guys, we just came to a breakfast place. It's almost 2 p.m. but actually we just finished our yellow vaccine stuff and now we are waiting for our order. Should be a very nice place. The name you can see in the corner down below. So guys, we are in Bangkok and it is the capital of Thai food. And in this video, we are in search of the best Tom Yam ever. Anyway, it's so difficult to find, especially in Phuket, but Bangkok, we have very high expectations that it's exactly here in Bangkok we're gonna find the best Tom Yam. And so for us, it's very easy. Like it should be spicy, sour, sweet and creamy. Here is our Tom Yam #1. So what can I say? It looks very delicious, very creamy, very spicy. The color amazing, but of course taste is more important. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna be honest with you. Guys, maybe we found it. I like it.
Let's see what's gonna be my take on this Tom Yam. Guys, it's surprisingly good. I would say it's really surprisingly good. Yeah, maybe the first Tom Yam. And we found it. So guys, as Jane said, today we're gonna have a Tom Yam day. We're gonna try minimum 3 to 5, or we are planning for 5, but 3, we're good on our track to try 3 different Tom Yams. So we have been to Thailand many times, we tried different Tom Yams. So again, as Jane said, we would highly appreciate if you guys know any fantastic Tom Yam soup, or what is your opinion how Tom Yam really should taste. Please leave it in comments. For me and Jane, in the whole Thailand, I think we love 2 soups, khao soi and Tom Yam. So for now, let's give it a try to Tom Yam number 2. And let me do it with you. So it's quite different compared to the previous one. I would say here you have less MSG, but it's still quite on a good side of a Tom Yam. I would personally prefer the previous one, because there you have a blast of an explosion of flavors. Here it's still okay. Don't get us wrong, but kind of a bit of a downgrade compared to the previous plate. So guys, welcome to one of the nicest and the most modern night markets, which already started at what, 6 or 5:30ish near Sukhumvit area. You have your traditional Thai pancakes, beef satay and all different satays, kebab, seafood stuff, sashimi, meats, all the Thai food, as well as the grasshoppers, scorpions, all you name it. And if you want to fancy, or if you fancy, better said, any souvenirs, cheap clothes, traditional stuff, all here, very affordable, very nice. So guys, today we try the scorpion, as I mentioned just briefly, and we will start from the claw. Claw with the beer, I think nothing can beat this taste. Let's try together. The left one, he says it's the powerful one. Guys, there is no meat.
So it's my turn. It's salty. I feel the sauce. But maybe we should continue with another part.
No. I mean, you know, sometimes you eat something and you don't know what it is, and it's kind of a meat. These guys, I mean, you have a shell, but then it's empty shell, and it's something like the shell of a sunflower. Like, I think it's bullshit, because there is no meat inside. It's just a fucking shell. It's just a shell. We took to try the crispy pork belly, Thai style. It's like kind of deep fried with Thai sauces. Let's dig in. Let's see how it tastes. And let me take the first one together with you guys and give my honest opinion what I think about it. But again, from the looks of it, wow. Let's see how it tastes. I'm honestly impressed. And now I'm gonna give Jane to try, because she is not a very big fan of stuff like that, but I really want her to try.
Yes, I'm gonna try. with sauce. Begin.
So guys, to prove the point that we really like this market, first of all, we explored the pork belly. You already saw it. Then we just bought some meats. This is the beef, just like tenderloin, I believe. The pork neck and Thai Wagyu beef. Right. So let's try together. And basically, this is like 20 or 25 baht and 60 baht, the most expensive one. And all in all, 110, 25, 60, yes, 110, roughly. So let's try together how the price and quality stacks up. Mmm. Guys, for this price, beef, fantastic.
So guys, now we are waiting for our boat. We're gonna go to Chinatown, and our tickets just 16 baht. Here are different boat operators. Some of them are more expensive, cheaper, different schedule. So we are waiting for our boat. We're not sure what schedule this boat, but so let's go. We are so committed to find the best Tom Yam. Actually, we found it the first one was the best one without any exaggeration. And now, anyway, we are super committed, super hungry, and now it looks amazing. I'm gonna try it now. No, guys, first one was the best one. This one, for me, Mark gonna try it as well, but it's not sweet enough. It's not the perfect balance of sweet, sour, spicy, and creamy. Sweetness, not enough for me. Let's give it a try to Mark.
So guys, it's my turn. The looks of this Tom Yam is fantastic. So in terms of the color, because some people say we were looking for the best color of water before, now we're looking for the best color of Tom Yam.
That's exactly very important.
In terms of the color, it's good. Let's try the taste. Actually, as Jane said, it's missing the balance of sweet and sourness.
Mark, we have sugar. We're gonna add it now, maybe. It's spicy enough. Yeah, good balance.
No, spicy is not the issue. The flavor profile, guys. Number one is our number one.
Exactly.
So,
we love
Bangkok.
Thailand. We like Bangkok, and we're gonna come back very soon.
And in terms of Southeast Asia, I think Bangkok is easy one to top one, top two from the big cities that this wonderful region can offer and which you can travel to.
Yeah. So guys,
Alrighty.
you have to go. Yeah.
Yes,
See you
we're
in the
gonna
next video.
board the plane soon, finish with our food, and we see each other in the next destination.
Woohoo! Bye bye.
Cheers! Bye 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 bye.